Life isn't always fair and it's never going to be perfect. There are always going to be tough times and situations that are going to be out of our control. Eric Thomas stated that in life, you're moving towards a storm, you're in a storm, or you're coming out of a storm. Storms come and go and are a part of life. You cannot control them. We lose jobs, careers get ruined, businesses crash, the economy fails, accidents happen, loved ones die and family members disown you. It happens. It happens in everyone's life. You cannot control events and circumstances. They just happen. But you have the power to control the meaning you give these events. You have the power to control your reaction towards them. Don't allow stress to wear you down. When you get anxious, nervous, fearful, impatient and restless, they cause mental and physical strain on your life. Statistics confirm that 75 to 98% of mental and physical illness comes from one's thought life. And 80% of cancer is due to poor lifestyle choices and not genetics. Stress comes with all kinds of nasty side effects. Stress affects your emotions, your behavior, your physical health. That means no part of you is safe from stress. That's why it's so important to deal with stress and overcome it. Your choices, your thoughts are real. You have the ability, freedom and power to protect your mind, body and soul. So choose to stay joyful at all times. Worry and stress are not going to add even a single ounce to your life. On the contrary, it will destroy you completely. Choose to live your life with passion. Choose to be a victor over all your circumstances. Choose to follow your dreams. Choose to believe that failures are a stepping stone towards your goals. Live your life to the fullest. Exercise, enjoy playing sports, read, build good relationships, real friendships. Believe in yourself. Believe you are strong, healthy and energetic. Believe you have the ability to overcome any adversity. Believe you're in complete and absolute control of your life. Events, circumstances and situations idly have no meaning. You choose what meaning you give it. You can choose to live your life to the fullest, and you can choose to live life stress-free in spite of life's events and storms that surround you. Therefore, it's never the event, it's your reaction towards the event. So stay joyful at all times. Live your life with purpose. Live life stress-free. So do like, comment, subscribe as well as share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to click on the notification bell below to stay updated every time I release a new video. Also do ensure that you follow me on Facebook and Instagram.